Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best purse hangers is probably one of the most essential accessories for any handbag enthusiast, offering a practical and stylish solution to keep your precious bags off the floor and within easy reach, whether you're at home, in a restaurant, or even at the office. These ingenious devices not only prevent your bags from getting dirty or damaged but also add a touch of elegance to your personal space, ensuring your favorite purses always look their best and are readily available whenever you need them. Number 5. ZEDODIER 2-Pack Hanging Purse Organizer. Introducing our set of 2 heavy-duty purse organizers, designed to hold up to 12 purses. Crafted from durable metal, they are built to withstand daily use and support up to 20 pounds each. Tired of cluttered shelves? These organizers utilize vertical closet space, freeing up room and helping your bags maintain their natural shape without being crushed. Never forget what you own again. Each bag is visible and easily accessible thanks to the 360-degree rotating hook, allowing you to grab and go in seconds. From small clutches to large backpacks, these hangers accommodate your entire collection. Keep everything neatly organized and within reach while reclaiming valuable closet space. Looking for a practical gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings, offering a stylish solution for anyone who loves their bags. What we like? This organizer is built for durability and maximum capacity. It can hold up to 12 purses and features a 360-degree rotating hook for easy access. If you have a large collection of handbags and need to maximize your closet space, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? This hanger completely solved that problem. It holds multiple bags at once, keeps them organized, and makes it so easy to see and grab the one I want. The metal feels sturdy and well-made, and it hangs securely on my closet rod without bending. I also like that the design allows each bag to hang separately so the straps don't get tangled. It saves me a ton of space and makes my closet look much more organized. This hanger is a lifesaver when it comes to maximizing closet space. I have several handbags that used to take up too much room, but with this organizer, I can store them vertically. It's compact yet holds a lot, freeing up space for other items in my closet. With multiple hooks on the hanger, it's capable of holding several handbags without them feeling too cramped. The sturdy design ensures that even heavier bags stay securely in place, and it can accommodate a range of sizes, from small crossbody bags to larger totes. The hanger can rotate, making it easy to see and grab any bag without taking all of them down. The metal construction feels very sturdy and durable. I've loaded the hanger with a few heavier bags, and there's no sign of bending or weakness. It's built to last and keeps my bags looking neat and protected. Each hook can hold 2 or 3 purses, depending on size. Number 4. KWMOBILE Folding Purse Hook Set. Never lose track of your bag again. Keep your purse conveniently close by in restaurants, bars, offices, or at home with this stylish hanger. Avoid dirty floors and accidental trampling. Hanging your bag next to you ensures it stays clean and safe from damage. This foldable hanger is designed for easy transport. Its lightweight aluminum alloy construction and magnetic closure make it perfect for on-the-go use. Rest assured your bag will stay put. The non-slip bottom surface provides a secure grip, keeping your belongings safely in place. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, each hanger supports up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. It's a practical and reliable accessory for everyday use. What we like? This is a highly portable option designed for on-the-go organization. Its foldable design and magnetic closure make it easy to pack, while the non-slip grip ensures your bag stays put. If you frequently dine out or work in different locations and want to keep your purse clean and accessible, this is the ideal choice. What people say? It is low-key, no bling, no dumb logo. Just reliable, good quality, folds down to just about nothing. It isn't heavy, but sturdy enough to hold my big tote bag with 2 18-ounce Yetis plus my MacBook Air and iPad mini, phone and stuff, but also small enough to not overwhelm or ruin the profile of my little wristlet purse. The folding design makes it portable, and it holds my handbag securely on tables in restaurants or cafes. Sturdy, well-made, and convenient for keeping bags off the floor. So small and simple to fit into even a small purse, and then I can hang my bag on this instead of putting it on the dirty floor or hanging it on the chair where it falls onto the floor. Number 3. KWMOBILE Folding Purse Hook Set. Never worry about where to put your purse again. Keep it conveniently close by in restaurants, bars, offices, or even at home with this handy hanger. Your bag stays clean and safe when you hang it next to you. It won't get kicked, trampled, or dirty from the floor. This hanger is designed to be foldable and easy to pack or transport. It features a magnetic closure and is made from lightweight aluminum alloy. The non-slip bottom surface ensures your bag stays securely in place. You can trust it to hold your belongings safely. Each hook can hold up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. It's designed to be durable yet lightweight for everyday use. What we like? This is a highly portable option designed for on-the-go organization. Its foldable design and magnetic closure make it easy to pack, while the non-slip grip ensures your bag stays put. If you frequently dine out or work in different locations and want to keep your purse clean and accessible, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It is low-key, no bling, no dumb logo. Just reliable, good quality, folds down to just about nothing. It isn't heavy, but sturdy enough to hold my big tote bag with two 18-ounce Yetis plus my MacBook Air and iPad mini, phone and stuff, but also small enough to not overwhelm or ruin the profile of my little wristlet purse. The KWMOBILE purse hanger for table, set of 2, is very practical and easy to use. The folding design makes it portable, and it holds my handbag securely on tables in restaurants or cafes. Sturdy, well-made, and convenient for keeping bags off the floor, perfect little accessory for everyday use. So small and simple to fit into even a small purse, and then I can hang my bag on this instead of putting it on the dirty floor or hanging it on the chair where it falls onto the floor. Number 2. IZUS Bag Organizer Holder Purse Hanger. Are you struggling with cluttered closets and bags scattered everywhere? Introducing a revolutionary solution to keep your space tidy and organized. This innovative organizer hangs conveniently on your door, utilizing vertical space to store multiple items without taking up valuable room. It's perfect for handbags, purses, backpacks, and can even function as a rack for hats and coats. Keep all your accessories neatly in place. Customize the spacing between hooks to fit your items perfectly. The anti-slip design and secure locking mechanism ensure everything stays put. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply attach the hooks to your door, hang the strap, and adjust for a snug fit. No tools required. Crafted with high-quality materials, each hook can support up to 8 pounds, offering a safe and durable storage solution for your belongings. What we like? This organizer offers a unique over-the-door hanging solution with a high capacity of 20 hooks. The adjustable spacing allows you to customize it for various bag sizes. If you're looking for a versatile way to store multiple bags, hats, or accessories without taking up closet shelf space, this is an excellent option. What people say. The hooks are adjustable so you can tailor it to your handbag size and shape, and it holds quite a few bags. Adjustable straps, removable hooks, and plenty extra. It holds up to 10 purses. It takes up little room on the door. The door closes with no problem. Number 1. Resovo Foldable Wood Hanger. Tired of a cluttered closet? This hanger features foldable hooks, allowing you to reclaim valuable space. It's perfect for smaller living areas, keeping your items organized without taking up much room. With 20 hooks, this organizer offers generous storage for all your essentials. Each hook can hold multiple items, maximizing its capacity and keeping everything neatly hung and easily accessible. Crafted from beautiful natural hardwood, this hanger adds a touch of style to your closet. It's perfect for organizing a variety of items, from tank tops and bras to scarves and belts. Designed with durability in mind, it features a 360 degrees rotating hook for convenience. The foldable hooks protect your delicate clothing while saving space. Ideal for home closets, dorm rooms, or apartments, this hanger is a must-have for decluttering. Streamline your routine and enjoy a more organized wardrobe. What we like? This hanger combines natural wood aesthetics with a practical, foldable design and a large capacity of 20 hooks. It's perfect for organizing a variety of items like tank tops, bras, scarves, and belts. If you appreciate a touch of elegance in your organization and need a space-saving solution for smaller items, this hanger is a great fit. What people say. It saves space, is easy to use, and makes my closet look organized and clean. Very durable and holds a lot. Fabulous invention for hanging all sorts of stuff. Pretty balanced little basic hanger, they just added the necessary hooks that makes this thing super useful. Well-made quality wood and metal. Hanger fits easily over regular closet rod. Hooks are on the smaller side, but perfect for my use of swimsuit strings. Would hold bras well, ties okay, and maybe belts. Note from pics you can see how hanger hooks easy turn depending on which way you want them on both sides. Very handy. This hanger is well built and has space for so many bras. I would highly recommend this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.